Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway C Box Break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Crown Royale Box Break number 17. Here's the last one up for auction. Where's Edmonton? So in the box is any 206-332-754. That's any 206-332-754. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. We have a Royal Lineage triple jersey of Bob Gainey, Brian Gionta, and Brendan Gallagher. Like I said, from Montreal. Or the NHL jersey card for the Senators of Erik Karlsson. We have an auto rookie of Dave Jasinski for the Senators. It is number 137 out of 499. The last pack. We got a silhouette patch rookie, 16 out of 25 of Carl Soderberg for the Bruins. And a base to finish off the break. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.